All right, welcome back. If you can flip in your notes to the final problem here. So example 9, it has a hot air balloon is floating between two people on the ground. Okay, so we have person A somewhere over here, person B somewhere over here. We have this hot air balloon. Okay, and it says that person A has an angle of elevation of 35 degrees. Meanwhile, person B has an angle of elevation of 50 degrees, and they are 4 miles apart. Okay, it asks us how high are they. So height, I'm going to put a little dotted line here to show what that is. Now, we don't know how high they are yet, but we can find it out. However, we have to be kind of clever on how we do this. Okay? So right now, in this original triangle, we do not have a right angle. We have 35, 50. We can find what this third angle is. So 35 plus 50, that'll give us 85. So 180 minus that 85. That last angle is 95 up here. The reason that is helpful is now we have a set of opposites. So what I mean by that is the side and the angles. So we can solve for another side. So I don't know what this side is here, but we are going to find what that is using our law of sines. Now some of you might be thinking, why do I care about that side? We will use this side, the fact that if we put that dotted height line in, that forms a right angle. So if I know what this side is, then this small triangle I can deal with and figure out what this side will be. So let's start off, we got to find that missing side. In order to do that, we'll start off with the sine of the 95. 95 was opposite of 4. This will equal, now instead of a question mark, I'm going to put an X. We don't know what it is. And X is opposite, or the question mark is opposite of 35, so sine of 35. Okay, so now we will cross multiply. And sine of 95 times X equals 4 sine of 35 divided by sine of 95 divided by sine of 95. Okay, so now to find out what that is, we go to our calculator. And remember, whenever we open, we got to go to mode, change it to degrees. Mine was already in degrees here. We can hit clear. And now to do this, on the top, 4 times the sine of 35 divided by the sine of 95. Hit enter, and we will get our x to be 2.3. Now, that is not our answer. That is not how high off the ground it is. If we think about it here, we've got this triangle on the right side. And now, the original question is, what is the height? Okay, so the height, let me draw a better triangle. We know that's a right triangle because height is always straight up and down. And we know the Earth is flat here. So I guess I better be careful. The Earth is round, but along the surface of the Earth, we know that it is flat. Okay, so here's a right angle. Now, we just found the hypotenuse here to be 2.3. We still know this is 50 degrees. Our angle is, I'm going to put a y because we already used an x up here, but what is this missing side? Okay, so to solve this, the y would be our opposite. The 2.3 would be our hypotenuse. So that's going to be sine of 50. Oops, not over x. I miswrote that. Sine of 50 over 1 equals y over 2.3. We cross multiply, and we will get y to be 2.3 times the sine of 50. So 2.3 times the sine of 50. We hit enter, and 1.76. So if we round out, 1.8 miles into the sky. That's how high it is. Now, some of you might notice there's another problem. This problem you might notice I forgot to change. 35, 50, 4 miles apart, exactly the same. If you want to see me do that, just go ahead, go back to the beginning and watch this video again. Hope you guys have a great day. Keep in mind, I will post the answers for the study guide that you have at the back of your packet on Thursday. That's not for a grade, just to see how you did. The test will go live today on Wednesday. If you want to take it today, that's great. If you want to wait till you can see the study guide answers, that's fine. Just get it done before spring break. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in a week. So have a good spring break, and talk to you later.